Tripura. Tripura is a state in northeast India. It is the smallest state in the country. The area of modern Tripura was ruled for several centuries by the Tripuri dynasty. It was a princely state during the British rule and joined the newly independent India in 1949. The climate of Tripura is warm and humid tropical climate with 5 distinct seasons such as spring, summer, monsoon, autumn and winter. The culture of Tripura is distinct and a bit similar to other people of northeast India. Mizoram. Mizoram is known as the land of the hill people. Mizoram is one of the states of northeast India with Aizawl as its capital. The name is derived from Mi means people, Zo means hill and Ram means land. And thus Mizoram implies land of the hill people. Mizoram was the part of Assam until 1972 when it was carved out as a union territory. It became the 23rd state of India, a step above union territory on 28th February 1987. The Mizo language or Mizo tongue is spoken natively by the Mizo people in the Mizoram state of India. There are 25 letters in the alphabet. Chapchar Kut is one of their famous festival in Mizoram. Samlong or Jamlong is a traditional musical instrument found in Mizoram. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is also known as the land of the rising sun. Arunachal Pradesh is a state of India located in northeast India. Arunachal Pradesh borders the state of Assam and Nagaland to the south and shares international borders with Bhutan in the west, Burma in the east, and the People's Republic of China in the north. Arunachal Pradesh means land of the down-lit mountains. It is also known as land of the rising sun. The climate of Arunachal Pradesh varies with elevation. Areas that are at a high elevation in the upper Himalayas close to the Tibetan border enjoy tundra climate. Below the upper Himalayas are the middle Himalayas where people experience a temperate climate. Areas at the sub-Himalayan and sea level elevation generally experience humid climate. Arunachal Pradesh is famous for its mountainous landscape. The Himalayas bordering Arunachal Pradesh is very famous. Ponang dance and Vanju dance were the famous dance forms in Arunachal Pradesh. Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India and its political and cultural center, located on the banks of the river Yamuna. Delhi has been continuously inhabited since at least the 6th century BC. According to Indian folklore, Delhi was the site of the magnificent and opulent Indraprastha, capital of the Pandavas in the Indian epic Mahabharata, founded around 3500 BC. Red Fort, India Gate, Lotus Temple are the famous places in New Delhi. Parathas, chaat, butter chicken, kebabs, chol bhatur, nihari, rolls, momos, desserts are the famous foods in New Delhi.
Goa. Goa formed on 30th May 1987. Its mother tongue is Konkani and the border states are Maharashtra and Karnataka. The state animal of Goa is gour, bird is ruby-throated yellow bulbul, state flower is red jasmine and state tree is coconut tree. On 3rd century, Goa was ruled by Maurya Empire. In 1312, it came under the Delhi Sultanate. Vijayanagara held on to this territory until 1469. In 1510, Portuguese conquered and set up a permanent settlement in Goa. After gaining the independence from British, India requested to give up the territories in Indian subcontinent to Portuguese. On 19 December 1961, Indian Army invaded with an operation called Vijay, resulting in the annexation of Goa to Indian Union. Goa is the smallest state in India and fourth in case of population. The highest point in Goa is Onsoga, and it has 7 major rivers and have 8 marine and 90 riverine islands. Major festivals in Goa are Carnival, Konkani Drama Fest, Sabado Gato, Shikmo, etc. Major dance forms of Goa are Mando, Dalu, Tekni, Kumpi, Fado and Fupti. Famous tourist spots in Goa includes Calgut Beach, Basilica of Bom Jesus, water spots in Goa, Fort Aguada, Baga Beach and cruise in Goa. Native food is fish curry and rice. Popular sports are football and field hockey. Goa has the highest GDP per capita among the Indian states and it is mainly through tourism. Tourism is the primary industry of Goa and Goa gets 12% of the total international tourists in India. It has the first printing press in Asia which was installed at St. Paul's College. The first medical school in India is situated in Panaji. Next, Chhattisgarh. It is situated in the heart of India, is endowed with a rich cultural heritage and attractive natural diversity. It is formed on November 1st, 2000. It is a heavily forested state in central India known for its temple and waterfalls. Chhattisgarh is known as the rice bowl of India. Its state bird is hill myna, state animal is wild buffalo, and state flower is Ginkgo stylis gigantea. Chhattisgarh is a leading producer of minerals such as coal, iron, ore and dolomite. Moreover, considerable reserves of bauxite, limestone and quartzite are available in the state. Chhattisgarh is the only state in India that produces tin concentrates. State accounts for 35.4% of tin ore reserves of India. The state has very unique and vibrant culture. Their rhythmic folk music, dances and dramas are free to watch and also provide an insight into the culture of the state. Chata Festival and Gocha Festival are the major festivals in Chhattisgarh. Chilla and Para is the most famous food. CM of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Bagal and there are 93 languages in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh official language day is celebrated every year on 28th November in the state. It is the 9th largest state in India and the 17th most populated state in the country. Next is Andhra Pradesh. Andhras have a distinct style of their own in the field of literature, music, dance, arts and crafts, and of course their cuisine, which is a bridge between the north and the south. The earliest mention of the Andhras appears in the Aitareya Brahmana, which was called Dakshinapad during those days. The state bird of Andhra is parrot, state animal is blackbuck, state flower is jasmine, and state fruit is mango. The heart of South is Andhra. Here the Muslims, Buddhists and Hindu faiths form the brilliant mosaic of cultures. Professionally, they are fruit gatherers, hunters, small farmers and nomads. Kuchipudi is the best known classical dance form of Andhra Pradesh. The state has a rich musical heritage. Many legends of the Carnatic music, including two among the trinity of Carnatic music, Tyagaraja and Shyama Shastri, were of Telugu descent. Pongal is a major festival celebrated for continuous 4 days in Andhra Pradesh. Ugadi is the first day of Hindu lunisolar calendar, which is officially known as New Year Day for Andhra Pradesh. Buddha Jayanti, also known as Buddha Purnima, is celebrated with a lot of glory in Andhra Pradesh, especially in Amaravati, Hyderabad and Nagarjuna Sagar. The cuisine of Andhra Pradesh is reputedly the spiciest and hottest of the all Indian cuisine. The cuisine includes both the original Andhra cooking and Hyderabadi cuisine with its Mughlai influence. Andhra Pradesh women wear the traditional dresses are handloom saris and blouse, and the men wear dhoti and kurta. Horsley Hills and Araku Valley are the places of interest in Andhra. Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary and Sri Venkateshwara National Park are famous for wildlife. Charminar and Golconda Fort are the famous monuments. Chilkur Balaji Temple, Simhachalan Temple are very famous in Andhra. Next is Bihar. Bihar is a state in eastern India. It is the third largest state by population and 12th largest by territory. Bihar is also a populous subnational entity. The state animal is goat, state bird is house sparrow, state flower is kachnar and state tree is people tree. Famous place in Bihar is Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya is a Buddhist pilgrimage site in Gaya district of Bihar, famous for the Mahabodhi temple. It was here under the Bodhi tree that Gautama Buddha attained enlightenment. The Mahabodhi temple or the Mahabodhi Mahavihar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is an ancient but much rebuilt and restored Buddhist temple in Bodh Gaya, marking the location where the Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. Nalanda, the most popular Mahavira of the ancient times, a significant Buddhist seat of academic excellence and a modest pilgrim center, all wrapped in a wisp of spirituality. Nalanda continues to be an equally enriching location in the present. The traditional dress of Bihari people consists of dhoti, kurta, sari for women. Chaat, also called Dala Chaat, is an ancient and major festival in Bihar and is celebrated twice a year. Once in the summers called the Chaiti Chaat and once around a week after Deepavali called the Kartik Chaat.
Jharkhand, meaning the land of forests. Capital Ranchi. Official language Hindi. 15th largest state by area and 14th largest by population. Districts 24. Tourism spots: Baidyanath Dam, Prashant, Rajrappa, Betla National Park, Dalma Wildlife Sanctuary. Festivals: Chhat Puja, Durga Puja, Karam, Holi. Climate: humid subtropical in north and tropical wet and dry in southeast. Next, Karnataka, meaning land of black soil. Capital Bengaluru. Official language Kannada. 6th largest state by area and 8th largest by population. Districts 30. Tourism spots: Hampi, Udupi, Badami, Mysore, Bengaluru, Coorg, Bengaluru Palace, Bannerghatta National Park, Vidhan Soudha, Nandi Hills, Skandagiri, Madikeri Fort, Abbey Falls, Brahmagiri Hills. Climate: Karnataka has tropical monsoon climate. The main characteristics of this climate are hot and moist summer and cool and dry winters. Festivals: Mysore Dasara, Bangalore Karga, Ugadi, also known as Kannada New Year, Makara Sankranti, also known as the Harvest Festival, Ganesh Chaturthi, Gaudi Habba, Ram Navami, Naga Panchami, Basava Jayanti, Deepavali and Bali Padhyami are the major festivals of Karnataka. Madhya Pradesh, meaning Central Province. Official language Hindi, Marathi. 2nd largest Indian state by area, 5th largest state by population. Climate: subtropical climate with a hot dry summer followed by monsoon rains and a cool and relative dry winter. Tourist spots: Khajuraho group of monuments, Jagadambi temples, Buddhist monuments at Sanji, rock shelters of Bhimbetka. Festivals: Simhastha Kumbh Mela. Odisha, formerly Orissa, located in eastern India. Capital Bhubaneswar. 8th largest state by area, 11th largest by population. 3rd largest population of SC in India. Official language Odia. Districts 30. Climate: winter January to February, pre-monsoon season March to May, southwest monsoon season June to September, northeast monsoon season October to December. Tourism spots: Lingaraja Temple, Jagannath Temple, Konark Sun Temple, Sarala Temple, Bhitarkanika National Park, Simlipa National Park, Daringbadi Hill Station, Chilika Lake.
Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a state in northern India with roughly 200 million inhabitants. It is the most populous state in India as well as the most populous country subdivisions in the world. It was created on 1st April 1937. The state is divided into 18 divisions and 75 districts, with the capital being Lucknow. Festivals of Uttar Pradesh are Ganga Dasara, Buddha Purnima, Latmar Holi, Gangotsav, Janmashtami, Makar Sankranti, Ayush Puja. And the languages of Uttar Pradesh are Telangan, Chalbasila, North. Famous tourist spots in Uttar Pradesh are Agra, Varanasi, Vrindavan, Lucknow, Allahabad, Mathura, Fatehpur, Vidyadhar, Uttarpur, Ayodhya, etc. And the native food in Uttar Pradesh is Batti Chokha, Bedai, Keda, Mira, Malpua, etc. Telangana long been a meeting place for diverse languages and culture. Last assembly for Indian composite pluralism and diversity. It is a link between North and South. It is situated in the central section of Indian hemisphere. It is the youngest state which was born on June 2nd, 2014. It is the 29th state of India, which has the fusion of etymologies both south and north. It is mainly known as the storehouse of creativity in arts and craft. Capital city of Telangana is Hyderabad. And the cuisine is mainly typically spicy, and the ingredients they use mainly is tamarind, seaweed, and red chili. They are both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. The main food is rice, biryani, karachi biscuit, etc. Telangana tastes are savapindi, malidalu, sakinalu, garijalu, pachi bilizan, golchila manna, Hyderabadi biryani, chegudilu, pulao, kubani ka meat. Telugu are of the classical languages of Telangana, and Urdu is the second official language of the state. The best time to visit the place is April-June month. The Hindu festivals like Ugudi, Sri Ramanavami, Bonalu, Chanakya Chaturthi, etc. are the traditions of Telangana. Most beautiful attraction places to visit in Telangana is Hyderabad, Sabikondalu, Nagarjuna Sagar, Warangal, and Bhadrachalam. Historical structures is Charminar, Kut Shahi Tombs, Falaknuma Palace, Thousand Villa Palace. West Bengal. The culture of West Bengal is an Indian culture which has its roots in the Bengali literature, music, fine arts, drama, and cinema. Different geographic regions of West Bengal have subtle as well as more pronounced variations between each other, with Darjeeling Himalayan hill region and Dwara showing particularly different socio-cultural aspects. The main festivals are Akshaya Tritiya, Gandeshwara Puja, Buddha Purnima, Janmashtami, death anniversary of Loknath Brahmachari, Snana Yatra, etc. The best places are Kolkata, Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Shantiniketan, Bishnupur, Pandua, and Goa. 5 main seasons in West Bengal, and they are summer, spring, autumn, monsoon, and winter. The capital city of West Bengal is Kolkata. And the Kolkata is famous for its Bengali food, love of literature, biryani, street food, charms, Eden Garden, football, Bengali cinema, and music. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, earlier known as Uttarakhand, referred to as the land of the gods. It came into existence on 9th November 2000. Its official languages are Hindi and Sanskrit, whereas Garhwali Kumani can also be heard in Uttarakhand. Its capital city is Dehradun. Its largest city is also Dehradun. It is located in the foothills of the Himalayas. The state has international boundaries with China in north and Nepal in the east. There are 13 districts in Uttarakhand, which are grouped into 2 divisions, Kumaon and Dharwad. 4 new districts named Bidihar, Ranigarh, Hardwar, and Yamunotri were declared by the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Festivals of Uttarakhand: Aquarius, Basant Panchami, Holi, Makara Sankranti, Ganga Dasara, Bad Savitri, Purnagiri Fair, Hill Jatra, Kandali, Nandadevi, Raj, Yatra. The dances of Uttarakhand are Kandar Nritya, Bhotia dance, Cholia dance, Jhora dance, and Kothak dance. And the famous tourist spots in Uttarakhand are Nainital, Mussoorie, Dehradun, Rishikesh, Haridwar, Valley of Flowers, Jim Corbett National Park, Almora, Lansdowne, and all. Native food in Uttarakhand is Kapali, Banki chutney, Garhwal ka panaj, Khanu, Bhadi, Khandalika, Saag. And the popular sports are trekking, paragliding, zipping, canoeing, cable car ride, bungee jumping, elephant safaris, camping, skiing, and whitewater rafting.
Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. During the British rule of India, the British imperial authorities nicknamed it is Scotland of East. Meghalaya was previously part of Assam, but on 21 January 1972, district of Kashi, Garo and Janshia Hills became the new state of Meghalaya. Meghalaya has historically followed a matrilineal system where the lineage and inheritance are traced through women. English is the official language of Meghalaya. History. Meghalaya has been of archaeology instructed people have been lived here since the Neolithic era. Neolithic state discovered so far are located in areas of high development such as Kashi Hills and Garo Hills. Meghalaya was formed by the carving of two districts from the state of Assam to united Kashi Hills and Jainta Hills and the Garo Hills on 21 January 1972. Next, Manipur. History and heritage. Kangla, the center of Manipur, powerful till 1871, the historical embodiment of Manipur, rules and the people of Manipur. Kangla has significant place in the heart and mind of the people of Manipur. Red Hill. Red Hill is a spot where a fervent battle took place between British and Japanese forces in World War II. And culture of Manipur. Manipur is a beautiful northeastern state of India, boast of rich culture. In the company of vibrant dance and music, the Manipur find ample of reasons in their fairs and festivals and celebrations. Through the lovely people are special, sometimes their belief in religions and customs is certainly creative. The people of Manipur are very creative and their artistic abilities are being seen in their handlooms and handcrafts. Then, next is Assam. Assam is the state in northeastern India known as the forest is wildlife, archaeological sites and tea plantations. The West Gauhati, Assam is the largest city. Features like bazaars and the hilltop Kamakhya Temple, Manada Temple, sites of Peacock Island in the Bhardapura River. The state capital Dispur is a separate of Gauhati, the ancient pilgrimage state of Kachur and Nadian Kamadev, the ruins of temple complex in nearby. The Assamese gives a lot of respect to their guests to pay their respect to persons near present a Gamuza. Then, Nagaland. Nagaland is the land of the historical hotspot. Nagaland is the land of hospitable and warm Nagas, lies in the corner of India's north-eastern border Myanmar. It has also evoked a sense of awe and wonder in the minds of people, including their visitors. Although most of the Nagas has been now been Christians, they still preserve the remains of her early and Vedic culture and ancient traditions. Culture. Nagaland is the important part of the colorful culture of India. The forests of Nagaland are rich in bamboos and canes. Thus, naturally, there are expert basket makers. Basketry among the Nagas is highly developed. However, the craft is restricted to men. All Naga men know how to weave the mats of split bamboo, which is the chief material besides wood is constructing walls and floors of house. Very important is the production of finally women's mats of drying paddy.
Haryana was founded on 1 November 1966. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Faridabad is the largest city. Hindi is their official language. Symbols of Haryana: state animal blackbuck, bird black frangoli, flower lotus, tree people. About the culture, it is popularly known as the home of goods. Haryana is one of the wealthiest states in India and one of the most economically developed regions in South Asia. Major fairs and festivals of this state: Surajpur International Fair, Mango Mela, Baisakhi Mela, etc. Food items: kachri ki sabji, chumma, methi gajar, methi chawal. They also give importance to milk products also. Arts and crafts. They comprise various forms of dance, music, poetry, etc. Moor is a well-known dance of Haryana. It is performed around the Holi festival and is very popular in the region. Traditional dress. Men wear dhoti, kurta or shirt, shoe, blanket. Women wear long sleeve shirt, ghagra, Ahmedabad is the largest city. Gujarati is their official language. Their state symbols: animal Asian lion, bird greater flamingo, flower marigold, fruit mango, and their state trees banyan. Gujarat is the fifth largest Indian state. The culture. The diverse and vibrant state of Gujarat has a significant contribution to the cultural aspect of India. The vast array of handcraft products displayed indicate Gujarati art forms are not popular in our country but are popular in the world. Music. The folk music of Gujarati is Sugam Sangeet. This folk music includes Turi, Manjira, Ektharo, Jandar, Sangpot, Damdol, etc. Another traditional folk music is Gujarati. The famous dance forms Garba, Padar, Dhandiya, Garbi. Traditional dresses. Men wear chaun, kurta, dhoti. Women wear chaniyo choli, sari, chunni, jewelry, etc. Their major festivals: Navaratri, Ran Utsav, Uttarayan, Modera Dance Festival. Major food items are dokhiya, fafda, khadi, patra and handwool. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh was formed on 25 January 1871. Capital is Shimla. Official language Hindi. State symbols are animal snow leopard, bird western tragopan, tree deodar kettler, fruit apple. Culture. The majority of the population is engaged in agricultural practices. Around 96% of the population of the state are Hindus. People are wearing western style of clothes. Traditional dresses. Women wear salwar kameez, gagra choli. Men wear kurta and pajamas. Major food items: Thundam, Sidhu, Niradhana chicken, Babru. Also some types of sweets are highly used. Arts and crafts. Himachali dance are varied and with complicated local music and reflects the cultural identity. They commonly mix carpets, leatherworks, shawls, woodwork and paintings. Their major festivals are Chamba Festival, Kangra Festival, Jwalamukhi Fair and Sholini Mela.
Punjab, a state bordering Pakistan, is the heart of India's Sikh community. The culture of Punjab encompasses the spoken language, tradition, values, etc. Bhangra, the dance was associated primarily with Spring Harvest Festival Baisakhi. Another dance form is Githa. It is popularly dance form of women in Punjab. At the same time, it manages to creatively display feminine grace, elegance and flexibility. The traditional dress for Punjabi men is kurta and tehmat, and for women they use salwar suit. The main festivals are Lohri. It is a winter folk festival, and Khila Raipur. It is popularly known as a rural Olympics. Gatka martial art is a style of stick fighting. The climate of Punjab are winter, summer or monsoon. Winter season from October to February, summer from March to May, and June to September is monsoon. And the main food are maki ki roti, chole bachuri. The main tourist food place are Amritsar, Bathinda, Pathankot, Jalandhar. The main personalities from Punjab are Bhagat Singh, an Indian socialist revolutionary whose act as a dramatic violence against the British in India. Lala Lajpat Roy was an Indian freedom fighter. Harbhajan Singh, he is an Indian international cricket player. Rajasthan. It is the biggest state in India. The Thar Desert, which is a great Indian desert situated in Rajasthan. Ghumar and Kalbelia are the famous dance forms which gained attention internationally. The folk songs are mainly spoke about their heroic stories. Their handicrafts works are famous for their semi-precious stone. The men in Rajasthan wear a kurti, turban and patiala. Women wear long skirt and top with dupatta. main festivals are Gangur Camel Fair and Tej. Gangur Camel Fair, the best way for foreigners to visit the fair, it is to go with an organized tour group. Tej is a welcome monsoon festival. The three major climates in Rajasthan are winter, summer and monsoon. The main foods are dal bati khurma, kachori, gatte ki sabzi, kar sankari. They use mainly sweet and spicy dishes. The tourist places are Lake Palace, Hawa Mahal, Naharanga Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, Jag Mandir, Ramburg. Main personalities from Rajasthan are Ghazal singer Mehdi Hassan, and he is also a playback singer. Irfan Khan is a film actor famous for Hindi, British, American film industry. He got National Filmfare Award and Padma Shri Award, etc. Tamil Nadu is a South Indian state, is formed from its Dravidian style. Hinduism lies at the core of the culture of Tamil Nadu. Pongal is the harvest festival that thanking the sun god for agricultural abundance. Vaikasi festival is to mark the birth anniversary of Lord Murugan. Main foods are dosha, chutney, vada, ghee, rice, etc. Main tourist spot in Tamil Nadu is Ooty, which is a tourist town. Marina Beach is the natural urban beach in Chennai. The major crops of Tamil Nadu are paddy, jawar, ragi, tea. The main dance forms are Bharatanatyam, a classical dance form, and Karagatam. Neyandi Melam is a traditional musical form. Kanchipuram silk is very famous in Tamil Nadu. Our former president APJ Abdul Kalam is from Tamil Nadu. Sikkim, it is the part of Himalaya. The area has a dramatic landscape that it includes India's highest mountain Kanchenjunga. The main festivals are Sagadava, Tarpu Monsoon, Pang Lapsol. The main foods are Kindema curry, Kudoko roti, etc. The tourist places in Sikkim are Pelling and Gangtok. The ko, that is the Sikkimese, use full sleeve blouse or konchu by women, and men use bhutia. And the languages in Sikkim are Tibetan, Sikkimese, Gomer, Lampu, Magar, etc. Main personalities from Sikkim are Bajrang Bhutia, it is a football player as a striker. Tarundeep Raj is an Indian actor, are the famous personalities from Sikkim. Thank you.